Today you will speak real English. Listen, repeat, and speak with me. Are you ready? Let's start. Listen. I wake up at home. Repeat. I wake up at home. Speak now. I wake up at home. Listen. I make my bed every morning. Repeat. I make my bed every morning. Speak now. I make my bed every morning. Listen. I clean my room. Repeat. I clean my room. Speak now. I clean my room. Listen. I watch TV in the living room. Repeat. I watch TV in the living room. Speak now. I watch TV in the living room. Listen. I cook dinner in the kitchen. Repeat. I cook dinner in the kitchen. Speak now. I cook dinner in the kitchen. Listen. I wash the dishes after dinner. I wash the dishes after dinner. Speak now. I wash the dishes after dinner. Listen. I listen to music at home. I listen to music at home. Speak now. I listen to music at home. Listen. I use my phone on the sofa. I use my phone on the sofa. Speak now. I use my phone on the sofa. Listen. I take a shower in the evening. I take a shower in the evening. Speak now. I take a shower in the evening. Listen. I go to bed at night. I go to bed at night. Speak now. I go to bed at night. For new episodes, you can like the video and subscribe to our channel. If the video is helpful, please write a comment.